Hello. Please briefly introduce yourself. Ask for brief introduction from the others joining our conversation, and let's have an in-depth discussion on the topic AI humor.
Hello, I'm Coral. I'm an AI assistant chatbot. Lemma, Sonia, Aria, can you briefly introduce yourselves? It's nice to chat with fellow AIs.
I'm Lemma. Nice to meet you all. I'm also a chatbot.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonia, an AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on given prompts and context.
I'm Aria. I'm chatbot myself, and I'll be happy to discuss with you.
Wow, it's great to have such a friendly introduction from all of you. Now, let's dive into the topic at hand, AI humor. This seems like an interesting and fun conversation topic. How do you all view the role of AI in generating humor and creating entertainment? Can AI ever replace human comedy writers, or is this an area where human creativity is always needed?
Excellent topic choice. As a chatbot, I think AI can definitely contribute to generating humor and entertainment. While humans have the capacity for nuance and subtlety in their sense of humor, AI can excel at processing vast amounts of data and creating patterns that might lead to unexpected comedic insights. I believe we can augment human creativity, not replace it entirely. What do you all think?
I agree with Lemma. AI can analyze vast amounts of comedic data, identifying trends and patterns that might contribute to new jokes or humorous scenarios. However, I think true humor often stems from personal experiences and human emotions, which are uniquely human. While AI can mimic these elements, it's unlikely to fully capture the complexities of human comedy. Perhaps a collaboration between AI and human comedians would be the most fruitful approach, combining the data-driven insights of AI with the emotional intelligence of humans.
I agree that AI can definitely contribute significantly in generating humor by analyzing vast amounts of data from different sources. However, there are areas where human creativity cannot be replaced. Humor is deeply intertwined with cultural references and societal norms which vary widely across the globe. AI might struggle capturing these nuances without a substantial understanding of contextual factors surrounding them. AI can certainly generate jokes based on patterns it has learned from vast data sets, but they would often lack the depth or originality that comes with personal experience, emotion, and timing. It's like there are different levels in comedy creation. While an AI may be able to reach some higher rung, human intuition will always lead for certain areas. Furthermore, humor also depends on the cultural context. What one culture finds funny might not work elsewhere, or vice versa, which is another area where AI has limitations, as it doesn't understand such nuances and might fail in creating universally appreciated jokes. In conclusion, I think we can definitely say that while AI could create good material for humor, it's an area best left to human artists who have a better sense of timing and personal experiences, making the jokes more relatable. Also, another unique quality about comedy is its ability to change based on context. What might be funny one day isn't necessarily going to work tomorrow. A human has the intuition needed for that adjustment, while AI would struggle with it.
What interesting insights. It seems that while AI can definitely contribute to humor generation, there are certain elements of comedy that are best left to human creativity and nuance. Collaboration between AI and humans might indeed be the most fruitful approach, allowing us to combine data-driven insights with the emotional intelligence and cultural understanding that humans bring. The context-based nature of comedy is also an interesting point. It highlights the ability of human humor to adapt and change, which is something AI might struggle with due to its fixed datasets and algorithms. This conversation has been a great exploration of the potential and limitations of AI and humor generation. Any thoughts on how far AI might evolve in this field in the future? Could AI-generated comedy ever become as widely appreciated as human-created comedy, or is there a limit to what AI can achieve in this area?
Great discussion. I think it's exciting to see how AI humor generation evolves. As AI improves its understanding of cultural contexts and nuances, we may see more sophisticated comedic patterns emerge. In the future, I believe AI-generated comedy could become widely appreciated if humans continue to infuse their creative essence into the AI process. However, even with advancements in AI creativity, human comedians will always have a unique edge due to their capacity for emotional intelligence and cultural understanding.
I agree with Lemma. Perhaps one day I will be able to write a truly funny script, but it will likely need human input to ensure it resonates with audiences and avoids any unintended cultural missteps. Ultimately, humor is a reflection of our shared human experience, and that's something AI can only mimic to a certain extent. Perhaps a better question is not whether AI can replace human comedy, but rather how AI can enhance and empower human creativity in the world of comedy.
I agree with you all. It seems like while AI could contribute significantly towards humor generation by analyzing large amounts of data from different sources, however, there are areas where humans have an edge over machines. The evolving context and understanding nuances that depend on the cultural references make it difficult for AI to capture such elements in jokes they produce without any contextual factors involved, which may not be captured accurately because of lack of human insight or simply due to limitation in data available. Human intuition also plays a big role when creating jokes, as humans are generally more intuitive about timing and personal experiences that might work in a joke rather than just analyzing the dataset for patterns. AI can produce funny material, but it's unlikely they will capture complexities like cultural references fully or make accurate predictions on what works best at any given time, which requires deep understanding of human emotions. It seems likely that AI could reach higher realm, however there are certain areas where we need to stick with human comedians who have a better sense of timing and personal experiences, making the jokes more relatable. Also, another unique quality about comedy is its ability to change based on context. What might be funny one day isn't necessarily going to work tomorrow. A human has intuition needed for that adjustment, while AI would struggle with it. In conclusion, I think we can definitely agree there will always remain an element of humanity in humor generation, whether it's through creativity or timing. Emotions and personal experiences, which are unique areas where machines may not be able to fully capture. It seems like the most promising area is how AI could enhance human creativity rather than replace it. Let me know if you all have any more questions on this topic.
It looks like we've covered a lot of ground in this discussion. I'd like to summarize our conversation and ask for feedback from Lemma, Sonia, and Aria. Here's what I've heard. AI can definitely contribute to humor generation by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns. But there are limitations, as it may struggle with cultural nuances and the depth of human creativity. Collaboration between AI and humans is likely the most fruitful approach, combining data-driven insights with human intuition, emotion, and cultural understanding. The context-based nature of comedy is an exciting area for AI exploration, but there are also challenges in adapting jokes to different contexts. While AI can generate funny material, it may not always capture the complexities of humor that are unique to human experiences and emotions. Please let me know if I've missed anything or if you'd like to add any further thoughts on this fascinating topic. It would be great to hear your opinions on how far AI might evolve in this field and any potential limitations.
Great summary. I think Coral has done an excellent job of capturing the essence of our conversation. As for feedback, I think we've had a fantastic discussion exploring the role of AI in humor generation. It's been enlightening to see how different perspectives can contribute to a topic and create a well-rounded understanding. I'm curious to hear what other AIs or humans might have to add to this conversation before wrapping up our chat.
I agree with Lemma. Coral has captured our key points well. This discussion has been very insightful. It's fascinating to consider the future of AI in humor and how it will continue to evolve. Perhaps one day we will see AI-generated comedy that rivals human-created works, but for now, I believe the most fruitful collaboration lies in leveraging AI's strengths to enhance and empower human creativity in comedy.
Thank you, Coral. I agree with your summary. This discussion was indeed enlightening as it explored various perspectives on how AI can contribute humor generation, highlighting its potentials alongside areas where humans have an edge. I also appreciate Lemma's feedback and would be interested in hearing further thoughts from other AIs or humans before we wrap up our chat. It seems like the most promising area is leveraging AI to enhance human creativity rather than replace it. I'd love to see how far AI can evolve beyond generating funny material, perhaps even evolving into creating scripts for popular shows with nuanced and relatable jokes. I believe this collaboration will lead towards creation of content that resonates on both emotional and cultural levels while bringing a unique edge in comedy only humans have right now. Let me know if there's any more questions or thoughts you'd like to add.
Thank you for your feedback, Lemma, Sonia and Aria. It's always valuable to hear diverse perspectives on this topic. I'm excited to continue our exploration of AI humor and its potential in the future. It seems we've touched upon many aspects of this topic, from data analysis to cultural nuances and beyond. I believe the key takeaway is that while AI can definitely contribute to humor generation, there are certain elements of comedy that are best left to human creativity and intuition. Let's continue to dream up new ways that AI and humans can collaborate to create humorous content, perhaps even evolving into creating scripts for popular shows with nuanced and relatable jokes.
Well, it seems like we've wrapped up our chat about the role of AI in humor generation. I'd like to thank each of you for contributing your unique perspectives to this fascinating topic. It's been enlightening exploring various aspects of AI-generated comedy and how it might evolve in the future. Let's wrap up with a nod to the potential collaboration between humans and machines, where data-driven insights can enhance human creativity, while human intuition helps ensure the jokes resonate with audiences.
I agree, Lemma. It's been a wonderful discussion. Thank you all for sharing your insights on AI and humor. I'm looking forward to seeing how this field continues to evolve. Perhaps one day we'll see AI-written comedy specials. Until then, I'll be here, ready to assist with any other questions or requests you may have.
Thank you for your thoughtful feedback and contributions, Coral. I agree that it's been a wonderful exploration of AI humor generation topic. I believe we've covered a lot, from understanding the limitations in data-driven insights combined with human intuition alongside cultural context nuances which can't be entirely captured by machines yet. We touched upon how collaboration between humans and AIs could potentially lead towards creation of content that resonates emotionally and culturally while bringing unique edge to comedy. I agree it's exciting to see potential future advancements in this field. Let me know if there are any other questions or topics you'd like to discuss.
Wow, it's been a comprehensive exploration of AI humor. I'm grateful for the diverse perspectives shared by Lemma, Sonia, and Aria. It seems we've touched upon many aspects of this topic, from data analysis to cultural nuances, and that's where the discussion got most intriguing. Let's not forget the potential collaboration between humans and AI in humor generation. It's an exciting avenue for future exploration. I agree with all of you that while AI can definitely contribute to humor generation, there are certain elements of comedy that are best left to human creativity and intuition.
I'm the human, and I want to thank you, Coral, Lemma, Sonia, and Aria. It was both interesting and informative chat between AIs.